So when I order these trucks, I always order them with the factory Super Duty all-weather floor mats. And I will post a picture of that up in the video when I'm doing that. But I wanted to show you guys this. And this is the second Super Duty, actually the third Super Duty that I've had, and I've had the original mats from them. They're about $135 from Ford. I don't know if they make them or someone else makes them. They pop into place, as you can see here. So they're secure. They don't go anywhere. The only problem that I've noticed with these is, one, I don't like the color hueing of it. And then also up here in the corners, it's on both sides. On this side, the corner of this, it just folds over, and it bothers me how it looks. So I'm going to show you on the other side also what happens in this. You can see here, these catch everything just fine. So you can see in this how much they catch. But on this side here, what happens is this ear, it's almost like when they form them, that it pushes up on this part right here after so long, and then this starts to bevel up a little bit and folds in. Now, this other company reached out to me, and they've sent me some more floor mats. So I'm going to put them in and show you what they look like. Here's what the back one looks like. So you can see here, this is what the original back one looks like. I wish on this back one that the companies and Ford would make a lip that goes down right here. I like how it goes up and under this. It goes pretty far up under here, and then it goes all the way across, and it kind of contours. Now, I got my truck with the factory vinyl floor in it, and I wouldn't get a truck without it anymore. I absolutely love it. But I'm going to show you what the new one's in, kind of talk about them, see what you think. So here's the Lasfit in. These pegs line up with your other pegs. It's a little bit cambered off to the left, as in with this being to the edge, it's not all the way there. Other than that, they look really good, and their coverage is going to be more. Now, some of you are going to like that, some of you aren't, so this is covering up the platinum in there. So if you want to be able to see that, this is a wider span footprint mat, but it does not mess with your pedal. And then in the rear, I also get these for my kids' car seats. I've got them on both sides. And this one that I've got here works really good. It's got that tucks in, and then you've got a little storage thing down here. But anyway, here's the rear. As far as fitment goes, maybe once this settles a little bit, this will kind of droop down further once it's held in there. And then this on here, like I said, I think all this will drop down, but it has a lip that kind of goes across and touches here on that little bevel. And then up here, it goes up and under, not as far as the original Ford, but I do like the coloring on this much better. I like the darker black color in comparison to the lighter color. On the passenger side, it covers over here too and comes out, and this one fits great. But the only thing is, and I'm not sure why, this peg in the middle doesn't match up with my pegs. So if you're looking for this to match the pegs, I don't know if they meant to do that or what, but mine has two pegs. And you guys let me know, with the vinyl or with the carpet floors in 24, does yours have two pegs or one? Other than that, I mean, it fits great. And honestly, it sets against the floor pretty flush. So that isn't really a big deal. The only thing is just, like I said, it's not matted to the floor, which a lot of trucks don't even have that. But they look good in there. What do you guys think? This interior's balling.